CGTX stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to be telling you my exact play with Cognition Therapeutics. This is already sitting at 41 cents, 44 actually, and this is just like a 35% increase in price. Looking at it from a broader picture, mate, and again, just from my experience doing this for 5 years, all those tens of thousands of picks and 42,000 videos that I've done, man, it's just still a bearish market. Like, I'm not even trying to be that like arrogant or pessimistic guy. It's just, for me to really be bullish, I must see a full candle close about 47 cents, and we're not there yet. And that's, again, okay, that's fine. The only thing that will make me be bearish though is a double break confirmation. And in the meantime, like, I'll just figure out, check out other tickers. There's no need to just force movements if no rules are met. So all I'm doing is I'm waiting. If you want my exact play and all that jazz, just click the first link in the description. My picks, get to those 5-10K months. Absolutely risk-free, you know, like 1,200 people that have tried it. And I'll see you in the next one.